Empty rooms and sleepless nights whisper your name in stolen lights. City streets that bear no soul. Without your love I'm never whole. Hands that reach and grasp at air. Memories linger but you're not there. Silent tears that paint my face, finding shadows in your place. I'm lost without you here tonight. Your absence steals the star's light. Every heartbeat calls your name. Without your love I'm not the same. And sleepless sighs, echoes of laughter in the skies, fading photos on the wall. Without you here I always fall. Empty promises and faded dreams. What once was whole now barely seems. Time's cruel hand pulls us apart, left me aching with this heart. I'm lost without you here tonight. Your absence steals the star's light. Every heartbeat calls your name. Without your love I'm not the same. I'm lost without you here tonight. Your absence steals the star's light. Every heartbeat calls your name. Without your love I'm not the same. Under the moonlit sky we're dancing. Stars are falling, tears are prancing. Whisper secrets, hearts are blazing. Hold me tight, this night's amazing. Time slipping through our trembling fingers. Love's a song that softly lingers. Every tear a word unspoken. Every kiss a promise broken. Kiss me till the end of the world, crying. Even when the stars are dying. Love me like there's no tomorrow. In this moment through the sorrow. Hands are trembling, voices cracking. In your eyes Love me like there's no tomorrow. In this moment through the sorrow. Standing in the shadows, silent and still. Raindrops fall, pushing back the chill. Loneliness wraps me tighter every day. Waiting for you, hoping you sway. Clouds gather like doubts in my mind. Every tear, a moment left behind. I see your face, but it's just a dream. Love so close, yet far, it makes me scream. I'm here waiting in the rain, heart heavy with the pain. Every drop whispers your name, but I'm still waiting just the same. Nights grow longer in the absence of light. Cold winds howl like my heart's fright. Memories fade, but the longing stays. Will you return to end these endless days? I trace your steps on the deserted street. Hear your laughter in the rhythm of my heartbeat. Hope is thin like the morning mist, but I'll wait forever if that's what it is. I'm here waiting in the rain, heart heavy with the pain. Every drop whispers your name, but I'm still waiting just the same. Grow longer in the absence of light. Cold winds howl like my heart's fright. Memories fade, but the longing stays. Will you return to end these endless days? Empty chairs and faded pictures, lonely nights and broken whispers. Rain falls down like the heartache I know. You left me stranded in the cold. Silent streets and echoes of our laughter. Promises fading, what comes after? Searching shadows for a glimpse of you. No more dreams, only skies of blue. Tears on a Tuesday, remember when we were young and free back then. Now your absence lingers, heavy air. Tears on a Tuesday, you're not there. Memories dance like ghosts in the rain. Every drop, another shot of pain. Love letters turn to ashes in the wind. Can't escape the sorrow I'm in. One last song of the life we planned, a symphony played by a lonesome band. Every note a reminder of your touch. Miss you, darling, oh so much. Tears on a Tuesday, remember when we were young and free back then. Now your absence lingers, heavy air. Tears on a Tuesday, you're not there. Tears on a Tuesday, remember when we were young and free back then. Now your absence lingers, heavy air. Tears on a Tuesday, you're not